like a painter with a canvas, we're going to explore some of the features within ChatGPT Canvas right now. Hey, Lori, how you doing?
Doing great. I am excited.
That's great.
Painter with the canvas. Let's go.
That's right. Anyhow, I'm Dan Wagner. This is Lori Ryan, and we're here at the amazing Daily AI experiment. Anyhow, so what we're going to do today is we're going to just take a peek at Canvas. We were talking about Canvas yesterday. And it's like, oh, I didn't know it could do this and that, and so we're just going to take a quick tour of Canvas and maybe get the people an idea of what the kinds of ways that you work with it that really make it significantly different than ChatGPT without Canvas. So let's go ahead and do that. Any questions? Any thoughts?
No, I'm excited to see what you show based on what my own experiences have been using Canvas and when it's helped and when I haven't been able, when I've gotten stuck.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, which is going to make it so I can't even see this screen, probably. So hopefully everything will work.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, let's see here. Chrome tab.
Now you know what it's like a day in the life of Lori trying to do these.
That's right. That is not the one I want here. Hold on a second. I hope this is the right one. Oh, very good. Can you see my screen?
I see ChatGPT and I see all your chats on the left side. Woo woo.
That's amazing. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go into this little toolkit here, and we're going to click on Canvas. And hopefully I still got this in my clipboard. Oh, not that one. Dang it. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, great. Well, we're going to watch my typing skills here. So we're going to do create a game where the user selects a number between 1 and 10, and the game tells whether the user selected the game's pre-selected number. Okay, so
is this like a guessing game? I'm sorry to interrupt, Dan. I just want to make sure I'm understanding.
Yeah, of course. Look at ChatGPT figured out that it's a number guessing game because they called it the number guess game.
There you go.
Okay, so what it's done here, it says the game's been created, it's ready for you to implement. So let's go ahead and run. And we got an error here. So what we can do is let's click on the error, and it says, suggests the input function is not supported in the sandbox environment you're running. Restricts input-output. Resolve this. You could either mock the input. Okay, let's do that. See how that works. So I just clicked the fix bug, and it's going to try to fix it. And you can see up here that it's changing things. Okay, so you can see it's created some test inputs here. And if you want to customize the test inputs, you can do that. So it said, I've predicted a pre-selected number between 1 and 10. And so it's going to we're going to run it. Sorry, that's not the number. So it has these pre-selected numbers. You can see the 3, 7, 1, and 10. And it told me that it pre-selected a number, and then I'm testing 3, and that's not correct. 7, congratulations. So 7 was the number. So what if I say I want to do this between 1 and 5? So let's go here, and what I can do now by selecting this, I can ask ChatGPT, and now I can edit it. I could say, make the range between 1 and 5. Okay.
While the system is thinking, Dan, I just want to point out that our daily AI experiment logo is covering up where you're clicking run. So for everyone watching at home, just know there is a button that says run under our logo.
Yeah, okay, thank you. That's an important piece. So here it goes. And so what it did is when I said that, so I just clicked on the line here, and I had asked ChatGPT, and I said, and I gave it instructions to edit this line, and so it changed it between 1 and 5. And by the way, it changed everything else that needed to be there. So now this got changed to 1 and 5, and then the test numbers are 3, 4, 1, and 5. So it went ahead and it took those little instructions, and it propagated all the necessary new coding throughout the whole thing. And if I hit run, which is behind the logo here, I'm going to click run, and sure enough, it runs, and it says, let's see here, because they kind of ran together. Welcome to the number guessing game. I pre-selected a number between 1 and 5. Testing with 3, that's not correct. Testing with 4, congratulations, your guess is right. It was 4, it wasn't 1, and it wasn't 5. So that's really a quick review here. We got over here what's happening, but here we have our programming area, and it doesn't have to be programming. It can be, you say you've written with ChatGPT. So what kind of things have you done with the Canvas, Lori?
I use it a lot for writing documents or things where I'm able to actually go in there and edit it myself along the way as a whole. Because when you're just having a conversation, right, with ChatGPT, you just get something brand new. And sometimes you really want to work with what's existing there. So if I just want to change out a few words, I am able to do that myself, which is really nice. And the other thing I love about Canvas, if it's made changes, sometimes I'll say, please go through this document and tell me exactly where you made these edits so I can apply these edits to where I actually have my working document if I've already kind of published most of it or gotten it ready.
Oh, that's great. That's great. You know, I was just thinking, you could copy and paste a list of names in there. You could write a letter. You could actually have it do mail merge for you pretty easily. So those are kind of things that you could probably do easily in the Canvas, but you could do it a lot of different ways.
I'm also, revisiting a build your own GPT guide that I created probably as soon as that functionality became available. And I'm now revisiting it with fresh eyes. And this Canvas is helping me figure out just different sections that I want to update and working through those edits in Canvas.
Nice. Yeah. So there's a lot of really useful things you can do with Canvas. Really, think of it like ChatGPT with editing capabilities. Obviously, you can do code in it, run the code. There's probably a lot of functionality that we could come up with if we just put our brain to it a little bit. So, but I wanted everyone to see how simple it is to use Canvas and some of those key features that you can use easily.
My favorite, though, is when you can just review a suggested change and click. In your case, it was fix. And some of the stuff I'm doing, it's apply. So you have the power yourself as the human to decide if you like that suggestion or not.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Well, I didn't go over that. Maybe we could do that at another time. So, well, thanks, Lori. That was a quick one. I think maybe the quickest one yet. Yeah, that's pretty good. Anyhow, so hopefully everyone got a good taste of the Canvas. Hopefully everyone's ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be live. Need to remind everybody, we're going to be live. If you want to come join us, I think we're going to be at Forgotten Star again.
I think so.
At 4:00. Yeah, and if you think that we're a bust, there's bingo afterwards, I think, right? So you can stick around and play bingo. We might do that. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. We need your subscriptions. We need to boost the channel. If you find it interesting, I'm sure someone else would. Feel free to share it with your friends and neighbors and coworkers. Anyhow, I hope you have a great day, Lori.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.